Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to create a new team within Trueaiwork. You will learn to set up the team name and description to organize your collaborators effectively. Click the Team option to access the Team Management area where you can create and manage your teams. Click Add Team to start the process of creating a new team within the application. Click the Team Name field to prepare for entering the name of your new team. Go to the area where you can input the team name to identify your team clearly. Enter your team name to label the group. For example, Design Spark. Go to the section where you can add an optional description to provide more details about your team. Click the Description optional field to add additional information about your team's purpose or focus. Enter a description such as a passionate team that brings fresh ideas, modern layouts, and eye-catching designs to every project to give context about your team. Click Create Team to finalize the setup and add your new team to the system. You have successfully created a new team by naming it and adding a descriptive overview. This setup helps organize your collaborators and facilitates project management within Trueaiwork.